that overlook was stunning, and I mean stunning. Definitely worth the hike for me. If you don't like stairs, you may not want to do that one. But if you can do the stairs, I'm telling you, that was gorgeous. So there's more to see, so stick around. We got the campground, the beach. There's other hiking trails that I probably won't make it to today. I also have bike trails, so stay tuned. Let's see what else they have here. Well guys, we mastered the stairs, we got to see the overlooks, showed you the beach. Campgrounds are next. I'm walking, this is Lakeside. They have a trail that follows the lake that's absolutely gorgeous. And it kind of leads to where the beach area is. I just wanted to give you just a little tidbit and a glimpse of the beauty that you can find right here in Georgia.